This is ASUS Zenfone 9, and today we will show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. That's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you gotta somehow get to the keyboard settings, which you can do by either tapping on this gear icon right here, or you can also launch the general settings app, then enter the system category of settings. In here, go for the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, already, Gboard once again. At the Gboard settings page, open the preferences section, and at the preferences, all that it's left to do is to turn on this number row toggle. And once I launch the keyboard again, you'll clearly see that the separate number line has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.